What's up? So, I am back and for my daily vlog, ito naman may iba naman, going to unbox these vintage toys from Japan. There's actually a really cool story behind this after doing some research. Solid yung backstory nito. But first, unbox na natin. The boxes are really old and these have been stored sa house lang ng bayaw ko. By the way, thank you Budge for these toys. Very cool toys. Binigay sa akin to nung bayaw ko last time umuwi sila nung ate ko dito. Let's go! Between the two toys, ito yung sira na yung box. Okay, bumigay na. So yan ang uunahin natin. I think malinis pa rin siya sa loob. Madumi lang talaga yung box. So after ko i-unbox, magugasan ako ng kamay. Ito yung likod. Bale, dalawang character to. Shiranui and also Shuki. At nakalagay is 1988 Namco. Namco is a video game brand. Kompleto pa siya sa accessories and everything. Pero right off the bat, grabe yung details nito. Look at this toy. Ang ganda. And that is actually the reason kung bakit nga binili ng bayaw ko to, sabi niya in the first place. Extra hand. Yun. So start with the legs. Ooh, this is nice. It's pretty big. Tanggalin na natin yung swords. There you go. 2. Okay, 3. Before we look into this, unbox na rin natin yung isa para after ko ma-unbox parehas, magugas ako ng kamay and then we can check this out in more detail. Shiranui. So, open up natin. Also, mamaya pupunta tayo sa eBay, pupunta tayo sa 130 Point. Check din natin kung magkano na yung values niya ngayon. Okay. Maiba naman. Balik tayo sa origin ng vlogs na to. And that is toy unboxing. So this one, may extra head sculpts siya. These ninja toys, they're going to my Detolf shelf sa taas kahit masikip na yung aking Detolf shelf. Parang ayaw niyang magpatanggal. Gusto niya yata MISB siya forever eh. No, I'm gonna unbox you, bro. Yan. Sa wakas. Grabe ang ganda. Look at that. Okay. This one, 6 inches. Ang tangkad nitong isa. And probably 8 inches. Believe talaga ako sa toys na to. I mean, that is not dirt. Talagang yan yung paint niya. Let's see the movements, yung articulation niya. So it's more on ganyan lang, paikot. So these are really the old school toys. Tapos wala rin siyang joints dito sa knees. So you can't pull the legs back. Also cannot move the legs pala. So far, medyo konti lang yung points of articulation. Medyo madikit na yung plastic niya. I guess because dahil sa humidity natin dito sa Pilipinas. And madali lang to. All I have to do here is mild soap and water. Wash it out. Tapos air dry na lang. This guy kinda reminds me like si Omega Red. I mean, look at all this. Para siyang mga tubes, para siyang mga tentacles. Just looking at his armor, hindi naman natatanggal or anything. Yan lang. Yan, may konting articulation sa arms. Okay. Yung bicep roll. Bicep crunch. Okay, by the way, wala na rin siyang ab crunch. Okay. And yung hands niya umiikot lang. That's it. Dahil dito sa armor niya, sa shoulder pads, hindi mo rin siya matataas masyado yung kamay. Yung arms talaga is just forward and backward, that's it. Hindi ko siya As you can see. Diba? Hindi. That's it. Pero, yung plastic nito, it just feels solid. It just feels different. Diba? Iba talaga yung quality before, no? Like, look at this. I-focus ko lang sa face. Grabe yung detail. Solid. So, I guess parang putol. Then this is yung mouth niya. May pagka aliens din ang dating eh, no? So it really does remind me of Omega Red. Bit medyo familiar. Look at that, 'di ba? Para siyang talagang pinagpapachi-pachi ng mga tentacles. Look at this. Japanese lettering. Okay? So these are cyber ninjas. So parang mga robot na ninjas. And which makes it more fun for me. Mahilig ako sa mga robots. Okay, sorry, napunit na eh. Crown Toys. Itong handle mismo, para siyang marble yung pagka-paint. Galing ng pagkagawa. There. Spread the feet white. Okay, that's it. Para hindi mahulog. So siya yung bida sa Cyber Ninja. So when it comes to details, parang mas panalo tong si yung kalaban. Let's go back to articulation. Yung head, gumagalaw yung head. By the way, ito hindi gumagalaw yung head. So medyo restricted din. But at least, you can pose it a little bit. Yung arms, just like that. That's it. Wala talagang, arm side to side na pataas. Naiikot mo lang yung hands. Again, these are vintage action figures. Kung meron siyang hip twist, at least. Okay? Mas poseable siya actually. Tapos, yung paa, yung legs, hindi mo na move forward or backward. And same, ito I think baka meron. No? Wala rin. Okay? So, wala rin joints. So, basically, actually yung paa niya also. Okay? Ito meron pa siyang joints sa ankles. This one wala talaga. You can see. Here wala. It's just fixed na siya. Nakakapeke lang siya. Kala mo lang pwede mong pasok yung sword pero hindi pala. Okay. And this is the sword. Ito yung isang head sculpt niya. Ang kulit to. Sobrang solid ito. Itong head sculpt na to. Look at the details. So ito maangas. Is this a snake? I'm not sure. Parang may armor pa yung leeg. Papakita ko sa inyo yung origins nito. Pupunta ako sa eBay. Makikita nyo ito. $44. Meron ding 65 sealed. Okay, medyo maganda pa yung card nito. Malinis pa. Tapos meron ding $70. Ayan. Yung iba nga hindi pa siya complete. Like this, actually kulang ng hand. Okay? This one kulang din. And mga best offer 70. Meron din naman sealed na 75. Okay? That's pretty a good deal. Meron ding $90. So, 'di ba? Magkano na 'yun? 3 plus. And that's it. Yan lang talaga ang lumabas sa eBay. Kasi vintage, rare na talaga to. When we go to 130 point para check lang yung mga values. Ito yung mga lumabas. Si Shuki, nasa 45 USD na benta nung August. Right? Tingnan natin. Yan. Makikita nyo, $45. Okay. Ito maganda yung isa. Kasi set na siya nung dalawa, 121 USD siya nabili. So that's the actual price. Plus shipping fee. So it's really good to research if you find toys like this, lalo na yung mga vintage. It's safe to say na itong dalawa, nagre-range talaga siya ng 2,000 pataas. Hindi siya bababa ng 2,000 each. Shuki, si Shuki is a general of the Cyborg Ninja Army, a villain from Cyber Ninja 1998 movie. Okay? So movie pala yung Cyber Ninja. It's a Japanese movie nung 1988 pa. And a Namco arcade game. Tapos ginawa siyang arcade game. Okay? But the toy itself, was released noong 2000. Parang between 2000 and 2001, dun siya ni-release. Kasi iba-iba yung makikita nyong date eh. Yung clips ng movie mismo. So ito yung isa sa mga trailer. Yan yung isang head sculpt. Ito yan eh. Kaya natin para makita nyo. Okay. Ganda ng graphics dati eh, no? Ayan, yan. Yan si Shuki. Yan si Shuki. Yan, di ba? Okay. Pero guys, sa totoo lang, 1988 kung nakita ko to, tuwang-tuwa ako, promise. Kasi sobrang ganda na ng graphics ng time na yan. Look at that. Ang kulit. Okay, ayan yung bida oh. Yan siya. Ayan oh. See? See how big si Shuki dito, di ba? Okay. So, pretty cool. Para siyang Omega Red talaga with yung hair na tentacles na ganyan. Pretty cool. Okay? So, that's it. Tapos, ito naman, yung video game. Ito yung tsura ng video game before. Siyempre, 2D pa lang yung mga video games dati. So, this is 1988 arcade game, actually. Okay. Pretty cool, right? May Ninja Star pa, oh. Sayang nga, walang Ninja Star to, eh. Ayan si Shuki, oh. Ang tangkad niya sobra. Ayan. Right? Ang kulit. Ang ganda ng backstory nito, guys. So, hindi lang siya movie, arcade game pa siya. Ito yung Contra vibes, no? Or Ninja Gaiden, yan, di ba? Yung mga nilalaro natin before. Okay, guys. Basically, that's it. And, natuwa ako mag-unbox nito. Vintage. So, 2000... more than 20 years na. And the backstory, yung movie na 1988, 8 years old pa lang ako nung lumabas to sa movies and sa arcades. Wala eh. Lumaki tayo ng ganito, lumaki tayo sa video games, lumaki tayo sa mga ganitong mga movies, and this is what we love. And I really love these toys. Okay? So, thanks again, Booj. And thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like the video, paki-like lang, paki-subscribe. And if this is the first time na nakapunta kayo sa channel ko, The King of Halo Halo Vlogs, hindi ako limited to toys. I will be doing a wide variety of vlogs for you. Ngayon, meron na kasi akong challenge sa sarili ko is 1 vlog per day for 30 days straight. And I think this is my 6th or my 7th. So mga 1 week na ako nagba-vlog ng tuloy-tuloy araw-araw. Okay? So please support the channel, guys, and I see you next time.